What's going on, guys? This is Kyle from GuideWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create team SOPs using Google Docs for GoHighLevel. Open Google Docs and create a new document. Start off by naming your document, then give your SOP or document a title, then break your SOP down into clear headings and steps. Include explanations and screenshots where needed. Once you have completed your SOP, go into the top right corner and then select Share. You can then choose the general access. It could either be restricted or anyone with a link. Go ahead and select Copy Link. Then if you want everyone on your team on GoHighLevel to access it, make sure that you are in Agency View in GoHighLevel and then scroll down to Settings. Then select Custom Menu Links. Then select Create New in the top right corner. You can then choose a link icon. So since it is a YouTube SOP, I will use the YouTube square. You can give it a title and then paste your link and then select Save. This helps keep your team consistent and organized. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.